Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Today you are so happy and fresh today. I'm glad to see this. Okay, class. Today we are going to study about procedure text. Do you know procedure text? Yeah. Procedure text is a text to how to make something or how to use something. So, content of procedure text is about how to make something or how to use something. Jadi, teks prosedur merupakan bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu dan bagaimana untuk menggunakan sesuatu. Contohnya, for example, how to make something, how to make noodle, how to make meatball, how to make coffee. And how to use something, for example, how to use smartphone, how to drive car, how to drive motorcycle, and others. And then, any question so far? If there is no question, next. Generic structure. Procedure text have three generic structure. The first is goals or aim. In Indonesia, goals is tujuan. Jadi, sebelum kita membuat prosedur teks, kita harus mengetahui tujuannya. Mau bikin apa sih kita tuh? Mau membuat how to make something or how to use something. Contohnya how to make meatball, how to use smartphone, or how to use camera, something like that. And the last is second is material or ingredients. Ingredients in Indonesia is bahan atau alat. Setelah kita menentukan tujuan, maka bahan-bahan. For example, apple, vegetable, sugar, milk, and tools. Tools such as spoon, fork, bowl, and others. And the last step or method. Method in Indonesia, langkah-langkah. Langkah-langkah using numbering, such as the first is wash the apple. The second is fill the apple, and others. Next, language feature. Do you know language feature? Yeah. Language feature is unsur bahasa. Unsur bahasa. Dalam prosedur teks, there are 4 language feature. The first is using imperative. Apa itu imperatif? Imperatif merupakan kata perintah. Kata perintah itu apa? Contohnya, cut. Cut itu apa? Artinya memotong. Terus, contoh yang kedua, add. Add itu dalam bahasa Indonesia apa? Menambahkan. And second, using simple present tense. Apa itu simple present tense? Kata kerja bentuk pertama. Contohnya, floor. Floor itu artinya floor. Dan yang kedua adalah serve. Serve itu menyajikan. Dan yang ketiga, connective of sequence, kata penghubung. Kata penghubung itu contohnya that, after that, next. After that, setelah itu. Next, selanjutnya. That, lalu. Using numbering, angka-angka. Seperti inilah contohnya. The first, second, the third, fourth. Nah, kalau misalkan yang terakhir namanya the last. Any question so far? No, okay. Next. This is vocabulary. Di sini sudah ada vocabulary yang biasa digunakan dalam teks prosedur. Ada peel, add, mix, slide, cut, pour, put, knife, fork, spoon, glass, bowl, plate, cutting board. Nah, peel itu apa? Mengupas. Add itu apa? Menambahkan. Mix. Mix itu apa? Mencampurkan. Slice. Slice itu menyisir. Cut. Cut itu memotong. Pour. Pour itu menuangkan. Nah, put itu menaruh. Knife, pisau. Fork, garpu. Spoon, sendok. Glass, gelas. Bowl, mangkok. Plate, plate itu piring. Cardboard itu talenan. Oke, repeat after me. Peel, mengupas. Peel, mengupas. Add, menambahkan. Add, menambahkan. Mix, mencampurkan. Mix, mencampurkan. Slice, menyisir. Slice, menyisir. Cut, memotong. Cut, memotong. Pour, menuangkan. Pour, menuangkan. Oke, good. Put, menaruh. Put, menaruh. Knife, pisau. Knife, pisau. Fork, garpu. Spoon, sendok. Glass, gelas. Glass, gelas. Bowl, mangkok. Bowl, mangkok. Plate, piring. Plate, piring. Cardboard, talenan. Cardboard, talenan. Okay? Any questions so far? Okay, good. And then the next is example. How to make iced tea. Nah, how to make ini disebutnya goals atau title-nya. Material untuk membuat iced tea itu apa aja? Tea bag or tea leaf, ice cube, sugar, water, and tools-nya apa aja? Glass and spoon. Ini material dan tools-nya. Methods or introduction, cara-caranya atau langkah-langkahnya. Boil the water. Second, pour the water into the glass. The third step, tea. And the fourth, strain the tea if you loose leaf or move the tea bags. 5. Add sugar. 6. Add the ice cube. And 7. Save and enjoy. Okay, this is example from in procedure text. This is langkah-langkah. Okay, student. Any questions so far? If there is no question, I think that's enough for today. And I will say thank you for your nice attention. And I'm sorry to my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.